been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, today we're doing something new. We haven't done anything like this on the channel, but we're about to pull this bad boy out right now. I'm excited to try this one. What do we have here, man? Electric scooter. Varla. First things first, I gotta say, this is the biggest thing I've ever had showed up to my door. Literally past the door handle on height, and that has a step on it too. But this thing is an absolute monster. We're talking like speeds up to 40 miles per hour, dual shocks. I'll get more into the details when we start taking it apart. But Varla sent this scooter out for me to review, and that's what we're gonna do, boys. If this thing sucks, I'm gonna let you guys know if it sucks. If this thing's awesome, I'm gonna let you guys know that you guys gotta get yourself one of these. So, really, I want an honest video if I was looking to buy something like this. So, this is gonna be that honest video. This is some thick ass cardboard. Oh, whoa. Alright. Man, this thing is massive. Oh, they give you a full Allen set too, not no little crappy little Allen key. Wait a minute. This thing has a key to it? I've been taking out the box, I'm just looking at it. Holy moly, it's got a whole kickstand. This thing is a beast. Wow. This thing is huge. Look at this ground clearance. Like, I did not expect it to be this tall. This thing actually like is some serious stuff. They sent us knee pads and wrist guards and elbow pads. They know this thing's gnarly. And an extra inner tube. Let's check it out. We got, like I said, full Allen's key set. That looks like lug nut covers, I'm pretty sure. This is the charger piece. And grip tape. Hey, the graffiti's kind of hard too. The graffiti's I kind of like the skull with the flames, I'm not gonna lie. Dual motor, guys. Dual motor. Look at that. Dual motor. If you ever rode the limes of the birds or anything like that, they're usually front wheel drive. Dual motor, we might be able to pop a wheelie on this thing. Alright, because I know the second I put this thing together, I'm gonna want to rip it. I just decided I'm gonna plug in the battery. Key ignition. Whoa. We were missing one nut, so on the dual clamp, so now I had to improvise. Used JZX 100 nut. Oh, he's not full. What is this? Scooter. This thing is tall though. Like, oh, yeah. The air. Wait, we need tire pressure. Tee out.
Tires. Oh, 10 inch.
10 psi bet.
It's 50 psi.
Swear to God.
50 psi.
Oh, dude, you use the mode button to switch gears. It's 3 speed. So it's got 1, 2, and 3.
Look how tall you stay.
Little tall boy.
Alright.
Oh, you got rear brake lights too? You already done?
Bro, I was
What? It was.
Oh my God.
The throttle
really
sticks.
Get the Allen.
The throttle
It may have been too tight.
Okay. It's gonna be slippery now.
Yeah, but it doesn't stick.
Alright, be aware of sticky throttle. Number 1 rule on this thing.
Oh, you can switch it to rear?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's full nut, huh?
I think that's eco mode.
Yeah. Hey, you're still cruising. Look how tall he is.
We're gonna have to hit it with the dual motor.
Do it, Wheelie?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, that's taking off.
Oh, that looks like some fucking speed.
Bro, it pulls.
Yeah?
I don't know if you can tell, but.
Oh my God, bro. Launch go crazy. Yes, sir. The launch.
The beginning is fast, but I feel like there's not. I feel like it's in the right mode to go 40 right now. There's no way that thing's going 40. It takes off when you launch, you feel it, like the suspension come up. But I don't feel like it goes 40. Not in the mode. There must be a different mode we have it in. Have it in like an eco mode. It's like super crazy launch, but not top speed.
You have to switch the gears now or some shit.
Oh, the gears. That's for sure why. I didn't know it had gears. Oh my God. This thing is so fast.
Yeah, he's mobbing. He's actually going fast.
So fast.
Bro, that's fast. You going fast.
So fast. He changed the gears.
That's actually.
I was in. You want the flyby? You want the full fucking speed flyby?
Oh my God. Oh
That was for sure. That looked like 25. That was like
way
25.
faster.
That was 25.
That was like 40 for sure.
Dude,
That was 25.
Run it in third gear. It's in third gear. Just
you just take
fucking
off
feel
in
the
third?
difference.
You
Yes.
just take
You can take
Yes,
off and
yes.
it has a launch in third.
It pulls in fucking third, dude.
That's like 28, no?
You gotta change.
Bro, you just hit me. You hit me with a rock, bro.
Bro, why is it actually hard to stop when you're going that fast?
Dude.
No, that's 40, hold on.
Yeah.
You hit
That's
40?
40.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
40. Change it?
That's a gear. Hold
That's
it. Hold mode.
Headlight.
Headlight.
Where's the headlight at?
Up right here.
No way.
Oh, yo, the headlight's right there. Okay, bet.
Yeah, you see what I'm
This
saying?
is the front brake, right, though?
That's
the
rear
back.
brake.
Okay,
That's
so
rear
bet,
brake.
bet.
Yeah, you need both though, low key, but
It's in,
Oh
it's in,
my
it's
God,
in
it's in
third
third.
gear.
It's
You
in
want
third
to try
gear.
first gear first?
Nah, I think I want to go all the
Oh,
way.
go fucking. Yeah, it's in full nut right now.
that is actually one of the craziest things.
I hit 54 kilometers, so I don't know what that translates to.
What would that be, maybe like
I think
27
it's like 30.
or something?
It's like
30?
I think it's like 30.
How do you feel like it's going 50 when you're on it?
Dude, that's what I'm saying. When I came back in third gear, I was like, okay, now we're going. I want to do it like on the road.
You need to slow down, Chief.
It's 33 miles an hour.
33.
So 54 is 33 miles an hour. So
It was 50
and it was still pulling. So
yeah. He hit 33 on it in
I hit
kilometers.
33 miles an hour.
What do you think?
That's insane. That's what really powerful.
Oh my god.
Bro, you going up that curve and you going up the rocks.
Oh, that's what it's getting stuck on, bro. The brake.
Oh my god, they're too close together.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, when you have the brake in, it doesn't
So-
go. It was on. It's in full.
Oh,
nut.
really?
Oh
Yeah.
my.
Okay, yeah, so noted. You cannot have it hitting the
Yeah,
brake.
it was
They're way
rubbing.
too close. Wow, that's dangerous.
All right, I'm gonna see if it
Casing.
sticks.
Wow, that makes so much more sense.
Yeah, it does.
Let me tighten this down.
Max speed was 32.6.
Oh my
It's
god.
accurate.
Flex.
When you do
Let's
it.
see the flex amount. No, I think it's just that much
Just right
leverage.
here?
Yeah, I think it's just that much leverage on that thing. In the car next to him. Wow. 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 That's like the. Oh my god, he's so.
You. At 60.
What's the review?
I give it a 9 out of 10. We fixed the sticky throttle, but the
Yeah.
bars are just flimsy.
Yeah, I cannot bash him on the sticky throttle. That was our bad.
Yeah, that was
I had
us.
brake lever hitting that. But bars, flex. Rest
I mean,
of the
when you're
scooter,
cooking,
solid.
when you're cooking, you don't really feel it.
Cause yeah.
It's more of when the jumps and like. Third gear Bernie.
This is the least.
All right, boys, we're about to give a whole full test on this puppy right here. As you see right here, hitting this mode button, you change your gears on here. I know how well you guys can see the screen, but basically you get your battery life up top and you get your gears and the kilometers per hour. Right now we're in gear 1. We only got the rear motor on and we're in eco mode. So I think this mode saves the most battery. So yeah, it looks like 26, been holding it open for a while, is like the max you hit on this. Now this is like, let me see, because 26 might be like 15 miles per hour. Okay, so 26 kilometers equals 16.6 miles per hour. So that's pretty much exactly what you get out of like the birds and limes. I keep comparing it to that, but that's the only thing electric scooter I really have to compare, because those little Razor scooters when you're a kid do not count. Yo, how fast does that one go?
It's not fast, it's just walking.
Oh, really? Do you know how fast it goes, like top miles per hour?
10 miles.
No way. Yeah, I just got this one.
How fast is that one?
This one goes 40. Yeah.
You basically can't go on the street.
Yeah. Oh man, I just had to hit it in the full mode to pull off real quick. I like testing the brakes on it. I like full speed straight to a stop. So first gear on eco mode is the same as a bird. You're topping out 15, 16 miles per hour. And let's see, takeoff wise. Because the other ones I realized on the ones that you rent, you have to push in the beginning, which I hate. You kind of stop and you have to push for a second. This one you just pull off on. Super cool. I don't know if that's just a safety feature because it's in the public and you can just rent them, but it makes sense. You don't get whiskey throttle getting on. You have to push first. On most of those rental scooters, it's usually just front wheel drive. This one's cool because it's rear motor, so you can just, you know, pull up real quick. You know, hold on. Let me really pull up. You can just pull up. Pull up real quick and just roast a Bernie for the boys. That's rad. So we're hitting like 49 kilometers, single motor, and that's gear 2. Wow, that's full part out. It's gotta be nuts seeing someone fly down your street on a tall ass scooter. Like, look at this, right over this truck's roof. Like, what? Dude, you sit tall. What up?
I like your scooter.
Thanks, bro.
Wait, go to one of the ends of the streets and fly. I want to see it.
You want to see top speed?
Yeah, I want to see top speed.
Alright. It's time to note a few things right here. Look at this thing. Number one, right off the bat, Varla. I love it. I love the scooter. For these handlebars, like this right here, look at that amount of play. And I feel like it's gotten worse since I started riding it. Maybe I need to tighten this bolt, but I can see it moving at the clamp. Maybe I need to tighten the headset. So tall, there's just so much leverage on that point of the scooter. I think you're just stuck like that, but like, man, if they could figure out a better situation for those handlebars, because, oh, man down. Because when you gun it off the line, all the torque goes to the handlebars and you feel them like pull to your lap. We're beating a Corvette. Boys, we are only at like 41 volts, I think it says right now. So like, the scooter has way more potential than what I'm doing on it right now. It's actually a 330 pound weight capacity on this thing, so you big boys can ride around on this thing. And this one right here, the Eagle One that goes 40 miles per hour, can actually get 40 miles. But if I lived in like a city like San Francisco or like Seattle, if you live in a city like that, this thing is like ideal for you. Make sure you guys check out the description down below if you guys are looking into one of these scooters. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, and check out Varla's website because they're also working on another scooter that's gonna be dropping like next month, I believe. I want to say thank you again, Varla, for sending this thing out, and this thing is badass. Full stoppy piece. That's gonna do it for this one, boys. Make sure you guys check out the description. Always leave a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.